can't ignore this anymore. My house really needs renovation. This door barely closes, and these windows are falling apart. It's not energy efficient, and it doesn't even feel secure. I want everything fixed, but who should I trust?
You should call Superior Windows and Doors. They specialize in professional installations and replacements.
Really? That's exactly what I need.
Hi, I need help renovating my windows and doors.
Don't worry, Elisa. Our experts will take care of everything from start to finish.
We'll inspect everything and provide the best solution for your home.
I already feel better knowing professionals are here.
We'll install energy-efficient windows and durable doors to enhance safety and style.
That sounds perfect for my renovation.
Precision installation ensures long-lasting performance.
This transformation is amazing. My home feels brand new, safe, warm, and beautiful.
We're glad we could bring your vision to life.